Alright, just got back from vacation. It's been 8 days since I saw this tank or even touched it, and things are looking pretty good. You can see I need to clean the glass, but just from peeking in I can see everything's alive yet, and everything looks like it's doing okay. So I'm going to go ahead, clean the glass, and then we can take a little closer look at what happened while I was gone this last 8 days. Alright, I did not get to filming the video last night after I got done scrubbing the LJ off the glass, but now it is the next morning, so I'm going to show you what happened while I was gone. I did actually end up losing one frag that was right here. It was an orange crush, but I do still have 3 frags there that are doing okay. I did start to see that one RTNing before I left, so I did think that that one was actually going to die. Actually, for the most part, though, everything looks really great. Things are opened up. I just turned the T5 lights on, so the polyp extension isn't too big right now, but things are looking really great in here. A lot of the colors are starting to come back from my frag tank with those low nutrients. Let me pop over and show you guys the frag tank. Alright, here is the frag tank. You can see there is quite a bit of green hair LJ growing in here, but once again, nothing died in here. So I am getting some hermit crabs since these snails are not doing the job. I'm going to throw some hermit crabs in here, see if they'll take care of some of this green hair LJ, because that LJ is really taking up a lot of the nitrates and phosphates that I do want to keep in this tank to keep the SPS colors. And I did get a few mangrove propagals down here, and you can see, maybe you can see, it's got some nice roots coming out already, so we'll see how those do. Those will also reduce the nitrates and phosphates so that the hermit crabs can take care of that green hair LJ and remove it. Swing back over to the main tank. There was also a anemone that did end up splitting. You can see the baby is up there, and the other anemone moved up there last night, and then we have one over here. So I'm going to get those off the glass and get them back on their rock over there. That's pretty much it. I am very happy with how things look. Oh, actually, this frag did end up falling off this rock as well. It's just sitting down here on the bottom. I'm going to end up super gluing that back where it goes. I do have the calcium reactor set up, ready to go, but it is not running yet. Today I'm actually getting my ATI ICP test. I'm going to test this tank and my RODI water, and then we'll see how things are looking on this tank. After not having a water change in quite a few months, like 10 months, the water has not been changed in this tank. I want to see how the nutrient levels have changed, if anything has been depleted, and after I fire up the calcium reactor, I want to see how these levels change after that as well. Are my trace elements going to be increased again from breaking down these SPS skeletons? I'm using Reborn Media and Neomag, and I want to see if that will combat some of the potential side effects of running an ultra low maintenance tank and losing some of these trace elements. The calcium reactor hopefully will replenish. So I'm getting that today. I'm going to do the test, then I'm going to send those results in and fire up the calcium reactor, and then we'll see what the results come back as. I'm going to be posting them on here so you guys can see as well and see what has been depleted, if anything at all. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.